Hey everybody, happy Monday to you. We got another kit to look at. Monogram Mark Martin number 6 Valvoline Ford. Skill level 2. There's that. Here's our tires. Our chrome tree. Our glass. Our instructions. Our decal sheet, which looks like it's in pretty decent shape. Here's our chassis, our headers, rear suspension, our hood, front bumper, rear bumper, roll cage, front suspension, there's our seat, our wheel backs, our dash, our gas tank, firewall, here's our engine, rear end, front suspension, shocks, a few little loose parts in the bag. Here's our body. A little bit of flash, nothing terrible. Just looking for a date on the box. 1992. Yeah, so there's the Monogram Mark Martin Valvoline Ford. Hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one.